In this tutorial, we will learn how to create our own exceptions in Python. This might sound complicated, but I promise you it's not. Let's dive right in. What we just did is define our own exception named myOwnException. This new exception is a subclass of the built-in Python exception. We use the keyword pass because we don't want to add any new attributes or methods to our exception right now. This exception can now be used just like any other built-in exception. In this code, we're using a try-except block. We try to raise our custom exception with a message, and if it's raised, we catch it in the except block and print the message. Now, let's see what happens when we run this code. As you can see, when we run the code, our custom exception is raised, and the message we provided is printed. This demonstrates how you can create and use your own exceptions. Now, you might be wondering, why would we want to create our own exceptions? Well, sometimes, the built-in exceptions don't quite describe the error situation adequately. In such cases, it's useful to create your own exceptions to provide a more descriptive error message. Let's take an example. Suppose you're writing a program that requires users to input their age, and you want to make sure that the age is valid. In such a case, you could create an invalid age exception. In this code, we've defined a new exception called invalidAgeException. We then have a variable age set to 150. In the try block, we check if the age is more than 120. If it is, we raise our custom invalidAgeException with a descriptive message. In the except block, we catch this exception and print the message. And there you have it. As you can see, when we run the code, our custom exception is raised, and the error message we provided is printed. This makes it clear what the problem is: the entered age is not valid because it's more than 120. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to create your own exceptions in Python, and how they can help make your error messages more descriptive. Keep practicing, and happy coding!